Alrighty guys, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about the top stocks under $50. Now me personally, I think a lot of these stocks carry a ton of long-term potential, but yes, there's still risk involved. So make sure you guys are diversified, have some blue chip stocks, ETFs, bonds, before you guys go heavily invested into some of these. Some of these are more conservative, but some of them are risky. So I just want you to understand that. So the very first stock that I think carries a ton of long-term potential is Palantir. Palantir is a data company and they work with a variety of other companies and the US Army. They did sign and renew multiple new contracts, some as high as $300 million, the US Army's $90 million, and a variety of others. Not to mention their revenue is growing at a very, very rapid rate, around 47% every single year, which is phenomenal. So the company's growing very, very fast here. And with fast growing companies, the stock price definitely has shown that. You know, we had lows here at $8.80, highs here at 45, and then we did get some sell-off. So in my opinion, I think buying this stock right now is pretty much buying this undervalued. The reason why I say that is because, yeah, it was trading for 45, and then we just got some sell-off. And I really believe there's some very, very strong support here at around 22, probably some of the strongest on the charts, and that the company has. So you guys can see almost every time this stock has hit that price target, we've gotten buying pressure there. So that is an all-time buy zone. But I really believe if you buy right now, hold it for the next couple of years, we are easily going to see this hit these highs here, if not break out at 50 very, very shortly here. So Palantir is a perfect one for the long term. It's one of the most sought after investments, especially among millennials, which is phenomenal here. The second one here is Cisco, ticker symbol CSCO. Now, Cisco is a technology company that pays a very, very strong dividend of around 36 cents every single year, which is pretty decent because you can start compounding your money. Not to mention, it does have some highs here at around $50, and it does look like we are going to get a breakout of that. You guys can see, yes, this stock definitely is a little more volatile, but you guys can use that volatility to your advantage. So you can set some alerts here at the lows here and get ready for it. But I really believe Cisco is a perfect one. It's a stable company. It brings in a lot of revenue, and it's a software and telecommunications company. And I really believe over the next couple of years, we're really going to see a lot of growth in those sectors. It's a perfect investment for the long term, especially for beginners who are just getting started and want a very lower risk investment here. Now, the third one here is BFLY. BFLY is probably one of the more riskier stocks on this chart. Yes, it is a new IPO. So with that being said, you're pretty much getting in very young on a company, which is phenomenal, but there's a lot of risk involved. So BFLY is a company that is working on healthcare, and it's phenomenal because they're doing a lot of overseas work, especially with everything going on. BFLY is really taking an initiative to making healthcare accessible for anyone in the world, which is phenomenal. But I really believe there's a little more risk, especially with the startup and a smaller company here. But when you invest early, you will pay the reward. High risk, high reward. BFLY will prove that over the next couple of years. So make sure you guys understand that here. Now the next one here is Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC. I love Bank of America. It's a stable company. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. It pays a dividend. It brings in a lot of money. It has pretty solid margins, pretty solid cash on hand, very lower debt compared to other banking stocks. So it's a perfect one, perfect investment for only $37 to hop in, hold for a couple of years, not even look at it, start compounding. And that's why Warren Buffett bought Bank of America, because what? It's a stable company. He understands that the company's not going anywhere anytime soon. And look at the growth of this stock. So it's a perfect one for the long term, in my opinion here. Now, the last and final one that I want to talk about is ticker symbol APHA. So now this is a pharmaceutical company. You guys can see the absolute growth on this thing is off the charts. Lows here at around $3 and pretty much $4 we can call it, and highs here at 32. So this is the 180-day chart. So you guys can see over the past 180 days, look at the growth of this. So I really believe this is going to be a perfect investment for the long term. Not to mention, guys, this one I guarantee within the next couple of years, we'll probably start paying a dividend. Not to mention the fundamentals for this, the revenue is phenomenal. And I really believe this is going to be a good investment to hold for the next couple of years. With only $20 a share, if you guys are going under $50, you guys can get 2 shares. So it's a perfect one for the long term and one that I highly recommend. So guys, these are all the stocks that I recommend under $50. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you got anything in value, hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget, I do have a course. You guys can use promo code dividends to get 50% off, and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.